So my name is Dr Yanik. I am a child and youth psychotherapist, and I work since last year for the German Neuroscience Centre. I'm dealing with children and adolescents until the age of 21, dealing with different kind of emotional problems, working also closely with their families. I'm very grateful to be here today at Dubai English Speaking College to talk about self-confidence, as I think this topic is related to so many issues, especially if children and youngsters are dealing with depressions or anxieties or eating disorders. I think we can always help children to get more and more self-confident. And if I would have a remedy for parents, I would love to tell them, the most important stuff in terms of self-confidence is self-acceptance, to be kind to yourself, not only in terms of your strengths, also in terms of your weaknesses, to embrace also the weakness. And the second would be focus on positive relationships, especially in the family and outside, to have friends, etc. And the third thing would be to embrace a growth mindset rather than a fixed mindset. It would mean don't focus on fixed qualities like I have a smart child or my child is really athletic, more than focusing on well done for trying your very best. I think this would help every child to get more confident and feel good about himself or themselves.